In this video, we are going to discuss about logical operators in Java, which are actually symbols or keywords. You can see on my screen, I have three keywords, say and, known as logical and, or known as logical or, and third is logical not. These are defined keywords inside the Java, which programmer use in order to connect two different expressions so that on the basis of logical operator we come to the conclusion and make correct decision which is either true or false. So we can use expression 1 then followed by a logical operator and then expression 2 to define or use this logical operators. Suppose I have a variable say int x equal to 5 and I have to find that x is less than 5 and x is less than 10, and if both this condition gets to be true, I comes with the true result. In this case, I have an option to use logical AND operator. I will use x is less than 5, that is expression number 1, then AND operator, and x is less than 10, which is expression number 2. Because x is less than 5 and x is less than 10, both the conditions are satisfied, I comes with the true result and this result can get displayed. In a similar way, if any of the condition is true, I comes with the true result for which I can use OR operator. Suppose my value of x is 4 and it is less than 5 or x is less than 3. If any of the condition is true, then true results get displayed. So here I will use OR operator. And the third and the last operator is our logical NOT operator, which reverses the results. Suppose I have condition that x is less than 5 and x is less than 10. Using AND operation, if this condition is true, so if I use NOT operator before this condition, my result gets reversed and it comes to be false. So let us do it practically on Eclipse IDE so that my concept of logical operator get cleared. Now I'm in ideally and let us check our logical operator, for which first of all I will declare my variable int x equal to 4, and here once my variable get declared I will check the condition. If my value of x is less than 5 and also my value of x is less than 10, then result displayed to be true, which comes when I will write expression number 1, that is x is less than 5, then followed by AND operator, then followed by expression number 2. If this condition comes to be true, my AND operator, logical operator can be get used, for which I will use here system dot out dot println, and I will write result is true if both the conditions are satisfied, for which I will write plus and then I will copy this expression 1 operator and expression 2. So I will write in the bracket this expression and close this, and let us run this program. I can see value of x, that is 4, is less than 5 and 10, so result comes to be true. If any of the condition is false, means say my condition x is less than 5 and x is less than 3. So any of the condition gets satisfied, then also result comes to be true. So here OR condition will be come in action. So I will write x is less than 5 and x is less than 3, and instead of and I will use OR operator, and we will run this program. Then also my results comes to be true because one of the condition get satisfied. Now if my condition is true but I want to reverse this condition, I will use not operator before this condition so that the condition which is true become false. So that is like this. True becomes false here. That is equal to false. So here I will copy this statement, and in front of this I will write not, and we will run this program. My condition is false. In this way we see that how all of these three operator works.